Hi everybody, Ed here, Spark Innovations. I want to take you around and show you the shop a little bit as is now and explain we're going to be building stuff, doing a construction project to improve our facility. So I kind of want to explain what we're doing and show it how it is now, and then we'll actually do the project and see how it turns out. It's a mess. It's cluttered in here, and that's the reason why we are constructing a second floor. So we have our switches and voltmeters there, and up top we have space for our relay boxes and whatnot. But for right now, because we had put these racks in a long time ago, and the idea was to right away use these racks as uprights to build a second floor loft back there. However, price of lumber, sales figures, things like that caused a financial issue with finishing the project, so we've had it half done. So in the meantime, I've had to have my desk here taking up workbench space, and some inventory shelves haven't been finished because we just haven't been able to finish everything. Instead of using this shelf for inventory, I'm storing some of my project stuff here and whatnot while my bench is there. Also, this is supposed to be a wall, so that's going to be a plan. We're going to wall that off because that's the machine shop area, and that's the second floor area. So now it's just been open, and all the machine shop dust and debris gets out here. As we come over to the shipping area, you can see all our lumber for the project. There is flooring, wall stuff, all the lumber, actual carpet, and our shipping desk actually gets cluttered. So upstairs is also going to be an area to do product photos and videos, so we won't have that in the way. We'll be able to get some of this clutter. Part of the machine shop area, we're going to construct actual shelves to hold acrylic and HDPE, so we don't have to leave it there and whatnot. And here will be another wall with the door to get into the machine shop area. You see we have our lasers, we have our routers. We'll be able to take all the clutter and the acrylic and store it up on shelves and make more floor space and actually set up the other router, get production going even more so. So that's exciting, and it'll keep the noise and dust secure. So this is the area that's actually going to be the second floor. You can see I'm clearing it out. Some of the stuff we were storing, I still got to clear out more. So the idea is that we have these beams, these steel uprights, and instead of using it for shelving, I'm going to put some floor joists across it and put in an actual floor, so that this is 20 feet by 12 feet. All right, so we got 240 square feet of area, and we can use the uprights to actually put in workbench similar to how we did down there. So we could have workbench space on that side and still have plenty of room for videoing and officing and whatnot. It's exciting. All right, well, that's going to do it for this video. There's a lot of work to do, so definitely not going to be able to fit it into one video. But we did get a lot done. I built all of the framing, put on the sheets for the floor, actually mounted the work benches, and got a lot done on my desk. However, that desk build is going to be a series of videos because it's going to be an elaborate desk. I'm going to put that on my personal YouTube channel. So please go over there and take a look when I start loading those up. That's at Sparked Ed, and it's going to be a multi-video process, like I said. The next step on, there's a big mess here. You can see all this stuff still around, so it's far from done. I actually did start building the stairs, and I'm going to do that as the next video. The stair build isn't going to be just a normal flight of stairs. It's going to be motorized. We're going to raise and lower it to save some floor space next to the workbenches down there. After that, I'll have to build the walls to enclose the actual machine shop. There's a lot of cleaning up and organizing to do. We'll have to figure out the lighting in the machine shop. Also, I want to add fun things. We have the trap door here, but I have to add a way to climb up and down. Also, over the ledges, how I've been getting up is just our ladder, and it makes me want to put handholds or a rope or something to be able to climb up for fun, especially if the stairs are raised. No one else will be able to get me in my fort, right? So thank you for watching, following along with this project. We have a lot of organizing in the warehouse to do too. A lot of the clutter from this it has spilled over. But also this, once it's done, will be a place to start clearing out some of the stuff down in the warehouse to give it more of a home. And we're going to be clean and efficient, and it's going to be really nice once it's all done. So stick around for that. I'm Ed from Sparked Innovations. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this project, like this video, like projects in general, or what we do here at Sparked Innovations. Check out the website, sparkedinnovations.com. We'll catch you next time.